Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I will explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. No longer pertains. But I'll be honest, this one's just irritating me because I don't like when people lose money. And I realize some people think I'm like evil or whatever, and that's fine. But I honestly don't like to see people losing money. I like, especially newer traders, because they're the ones that get into these things. So it would be nice if some sort of bounce could just actually keep on bouncing to give people the opportunity to at least get out at break even or a much smaller loss. But it's just frustrating when you see something like this and it can't even go. No, it just not only does it not go up, it gaps down and then it's sitting at all-time lows. So it's just, this is a brutal chart and you don't like to see it, because you know there's a bunch of newer traders that are just getting grinded to pieces. And that's just, that's not what I like to see. I want to see people making money. And case in point right here, big move up and then just absolutely crash back down. And at this point, I get it. This one has bounced up before in the past, but this trend is nasty and it remains nasty, and hopefully it can kind of level things out. But if it is going to level things out and bounce back upwards, first key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be right there at $1.70. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, you want to see them act as resistance, or not. In this case, you don't want to see them act as resistance, but they tend to act as resistance. And that's right there at $1.71. And then if the price can break above there, it all goes back to that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which was very, very temporarily broken on Thursday, only to have this big gap down. So that remains that overarching level of resistance. And then as far as supports are concerned, the next level of support at this point, nothing fancy, just simply where the price essentially stopped going down today, right there at $1.65. So we'll see what next week brings. But yeah, really there's no other way to put it other than this thing is just a total bearish downtrend that seems to only be picking up momentum. So we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.